Guys, kali ini kita akan bermain dengan melawan Watford vs Bram FC. Jadi kita uji coba nih guys untuk semifinal nanti. Oke, saatnya bermain. Oke, santai dulu. Ya.
Interception. What a well-timed tackle.
Yes.
The attacker is in possession.
Yes.
Has gone out of play.
Out there.
Absolutely perfect evening for a game of football. Throw in here. Sends it forward. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Keeper opts to throw this one out. Striker's ball. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Is this the moment?
Mantap.
And his teammates join him to start the celebration. Great goal there. And here's the build-up to that great goal. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game.
Oke, mantap. Sekali lagi bro.
And he stayed on. He must score, surely. He's
Mantap.
Let's see a replay of that crucial goal.
Oke.
And we're
Semangat
back underway, but how will this team respond? Confident pass.
As.
He's found an opening. Close,
Yes,
but not
mantap.
close enough. Let's have a look at that one again. And their first shot of the day is off
Kita
target.
santai aja bro.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Played in field. They're appealing. Is this a goal? And
Wah,
that's his hat-trick.
terus
He's
gol
been
lagi ya.
unstoppable today. And this
Semangat.
player's on form. Three of the best
Jadi
for him.
game dari
We
sini
need to
sangat
see that goal
mantap
again.
kawan ya. Jadi mari kita download untuk para gamers.
And we're back underway here. Now it's Delafeu. Hoisted upfield now. And this really
Got
takes
the
the
game.
pressure off the defence. It's with the striker. The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break. Oh, quality defending there. Back to the goalkeeper.
Oke, santai aja.
Safety first. Across the line, it's out of play. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. And we're into stoppage time now. Picked up by the defender. Great first half. Let's hope for more of the same.
Jadi kita ngambil babak kedua, half time. Aduh, iklan yang sangat membosankan. Jadi kita masih belajar gamenya, bagaimana cara menyusun manajemen pemain kita ya. Santai aja.
Single change has been made. Will it have an effect? There's one side one-sided game will get back underway. Can they get even more goals? Nice work there.
Yes, salah sasaran guys ya. Sorry guys ya, tapi nggak apa-apa sih guys. Kita masih bisa shoot. Aduh, salah game.
Let's take another look at that. No yellow card so far. Let's hope it stays that way. Forward from the
Oke,
keeper.
semangat. Cep.
Passed inside. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and
Aduh.
break.
Sangat hati gamenya, jadi
He's onside
sini
here.
jangan ditiru gamenya.
Oh, he must score. Pedro.
Oke, untung
Disappointed
aja
with
game.
that effort.
Jadi permainan kali ini agak seru.
Kicked outfield. They want to add to their lead here.
Jadi mari kita mainkan selagi ada waktu
The
luang
defender could be
gamenya.
in trouble here. Pedro. He failed to connect with that tackle. Oh, and dispossessed there. Defender is on the ball.
Santai mundur.
It's with the defender now.
Oke. Mantap gamenya, jadi set,
He could be
mantap game.
punished for that mistake.
Sekali lagi, set.
Not a good decision
Okay.
there. This could cost his team. Well taken by the goalkeeper.
Akhirnya bang,
He chooses to throw this one out.
sangat disayangkan bang.
He kicks the ball away from danger. He's onside here. Just the goalkeeper to beat now.
Oke, mantap. Memang kiper cerdas.
This team really are controlling the game. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. Oh, well intercepted.
Aduh, hati-hati geng, hati-hati. Yo,
What a chance. Keeper
Mantap.
connects that one.
kita bermain santai aja.
Fancies his chances from here. Striker's ball. Optimistic effort.
Aduh.
Oh, that's well over. That's the goal kick. And we're entering stoppage
tidak ada
time
bang.
now.
Tapi kita
A
bermain
chance to
offline
have
ya
a
bang
better
ya.
look here. The ball has gone up, and we're going to have
Oke, kali
3
ini
minutes of
kita
stoppage
memiliki
time.
kesempatan menang, jadi mohon bersabar.
The striker picks it up.
Mantap.
Great dribbling. And he's one-on-one with the keeper.
Mantap,
Pass
Kakak
for this
Bumbu.
player. He's unstoppable. Let's have a look at that one again.
Oke, itu
It's
waktu
emphatic.
habis, jadi
Timing
menang guys.
football on display.
Jadi kali ini
Great for this team.
merupakan uji percobaan dalam pertandingan DLS 2020.
Oh,
Game ini
fantastic
memang
effort
sudah
from him.
baru, tapi
Well